Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Femke and in today's video it is time for me to share another nail polish of the week color. In my nail polish of the week videos I always swatch and kind of like review and just show you one particular color from my collection. It's always very random. It can be a really new polish, it can be a polish I've had in my collection for like 10 years already, but yeah. If you are going to do your nails together with me while watching this video, do let me know what kind of nail polish you are using today. And of course, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate you guys to subscribe, hit that notification bell as well, and just leave a comment, say hi, or anything like that. I love to talk to you guys through my comment section, and of course, you can always send me a DM on Instagram as well. But yeah, I'm just going to start off with the base as usual. And I'm going in with one by Essence. I think this is the anti-split one. I don't feel like it really makes sure that my nails are not splitting, or at least I can't really tell since my nails don't really split or are brittle or anything like that. But do give it a try if you are in a store and you accidentally run into it, or if you do have brittle nails, do let me know if you like this one because it is quite inexpensive. I think it's like 2, maybe 3 euros or something like that. Maybe it's even less expensive, I really can't remember, but yeah, I always love my Essence base coats, that's why I tend to use them a lot. But yeah, for the color of this nail polish of the week video, I'm going in with one by Essie. You might have already seen a quick swatch of this one in my like unboxing and haul video where I actually bought 50 new shades by Essie. This one is a really nice like white one. It isn't super stark or anything like that. It's more of like a milky white but a little bit more opaque. And this one is called Blanc or Blanc, however you want to pronounce it. Some say it the more French way, others say it a really like American English way. Like, it's totally up to you how you want to call it. It's just a nice kind of like off-white polish, but not too creamy, if you know what I mean. So yeah, here I'm just going to start off with the first coat. And a little side note, this video is pre-recorded about, I'd say like 7 weeks ago or something like that. So my nails were still quite short at the time of recording, but because I promised you to actually upload some shorter nail videos as well, here it is. You know, I don't want to like leave people out just because I love to have really long natural nails. I know there are a lot of you out there that actually rock shorter nails, which are really cute as well. So I definitely wanted to keep that footage, or at least the footage that I recorded like 1.5 or 2 months ago when I had shorter nails, and just upload it anyway, even though my nails are way longer at the moment already. I just feel like it's fun to like switch it up a little bit, you know, because as I said, not everyone loves long nails, and a lot of people actually have to rock short nails because of their job or like school regulations or anything like that. So yeah, I really hope you like my shorter nail videos as well, even though you're probably used to seeing me rock really long nails. But yeah, just wanted to put it out there. But here I'm applying that first coat of this nice white polish already. I do feel like Essie has great quality polishes. They are way more expensive than the polishes I usually go for. Essie polishes are about 10 euros here in the Netherlands. Sometimes they have like nice discounts at my local drugstore. That is also the reason why I actually went out online, at least, to get some of the Essie polishes, because I only had like 6 or 7 in my collection, which are already like 7 or 8 years old, but they're still in great like condition, by the way. They still work perfectly fine. I don't have to use any thinner or anything on them. They stay really good for a long time if you store them correctly. But yeah, they are a little bit more expensive than the usual like Essie or Catrice nail polishes, which I love and have great quality as well. The only thing is, I do feel like even though they have nice quality, like the longevity, like they wear pretty nicely, I don't have much tip wear or anything whenever I use Essie polishes, especially combined with a good base and top coat. Of course, that is something that definitely helps elongating your wear time. but I do feel like they are quite sheer and that they definitely need like 2 to 3 coats to get completely opaque, and that is something that some people really don't like. And especially if you are like me and you just really love budget-proof products but still good quality, I would definitely say if you don't want to spend like $10 a bottle and you have to apply like 3 coats, just skip it. I wouldn't even try it, to be honest, because if you are someone that just wants to be like fine with 1 to 2 thin layers, I totally understand. I really love polishes like that as well. And yeah, you can actually see me applying the 3rd layer here already. Yeah, if you're not into that and you just want to be wham bam, thank you ma'am, done with your manicure in no time, I would definitely suggest to just check out some other brands that may have with like a thicker formula or something like that, or just more opaque. Yeah, I would just say skip this one, but I just really love the way these wear and apply. I really love like the shape of the brush as well. It kind of has that rounded edge, which I love. It gives a really nice application. You don't have much cleanup work or anything like that afterwards. Yeah, I just really love it. It totally like fits the shape of my nail. The only thing is I have quite like narrow fingers and nails, that I have to be quite careful with my application when it comes to the pinky nail, because that one is so like narrow. I tend to apply a little bit too much product, or just kind of like press the brush a little bit too like far onto the nail, that it floods the cuticle area and stuff like that. But other than that, it's a really nice brush. It has a decent amount of product on it. If you just swipe one like side off, it works really nice. So yeah, here I actually applied 3 coats and I'm going in with my top coat already, which is the Ultra Gloss. This one is by Essence as well. I mentioned this in so many of my videos and I get asked a lot what kind of base coats and top coats are my favorites, but I really love the Essence Cosmetics ones. I really love the ones by Catrice as well. Those are both quite inexpensive. The Catrice ones are a little bit more expensive than the Essence ones, but it's like €1 more expensive, so it's still really inexpensive. For like 3 to 4 euros you have a perfect base or top coat by Catrice, and for like 2 to sometimes 3 euros you have a perfect one by Essence, and they do last a long time as well. You don't have to like use a lot of product to get a perfect finish. Of course, if you have longer nails you will go through your bottles quicker or faster, because you just have more surface you have to cover with the product. But yeah, this super glossy top coat I actually pretty much like. It isn't like a super fast drying one, but it gets the job done, and I just tend to wait like in between layers for about 5 minutes, sometimes 3 minutes if it's a really fast drying formula. The Essence polish that I'm using in this particular video isn't super fast drying, but of course if you are applying thin layers, thin coats, which is something I would highly recommend doing anyways, it does dry pretty quickly. So yeah, that was actually already the entire nail polish of the week video of this week. Let me know what you think about this polish. I feel like it is a perfect base color for nail art and stuff, but it's a really nice soft white color to wear on its own. So yeah, that was pretty much it. I really hope you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.